A raindrop's birth in the clouds. Show how water vapor condenses into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. Use stunning visuals of cloudscape and time lapses. Explain the science behind cloud formation and the role of temperature and pressure. The journey begins. The raindrop falls from the cloud, showcasing a journey through the sky. Visualize the raindrop encountering wind, air currents, and other droplets. Emphasize the raindrop's journey as a part of the larger water cycle. A splash of impact. The raindrop hits the earth, creating a splash and ripples. Show different scenarios: hitting a lake, a forest, a city, a rooftop. Highlight the raindrop's contribution to the environment. The cycle continues. The raindrop joins a puddle, flows into a river, and ultimately finds its way back to the sea. Explain the water cycle in simple terms, focusing on the raindrop's contribution. Use animation and visuals to demonstrate the cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. A drop of wonder. Emphasize the importance of water and its impact on life on Earth. Explore the beauty and wonder of a single raindrop story. End on a message of appreciation and conservation of water resources.